Alright, so one more in for the week. DRLs are out on this side. These still work, but yeah, about to bust this down, and I think we got color shift or something going in here. I don't even know. It's something from Diode Dynamics. So let's see. Where is it? Is this it? Yeah, so there we go. So yeah, color shift RGBW look like DRL boards. So it's time to go ahead, bust this down, and get going. This is driver side headlight. So gotta make sure I fill in this hole right here to keep that from leaking, because otherwise it'll be condensation. Yeah, I think that's the only one, but it's a big one, but it's in there. All right, got these Diode Dynamics DRL bars hooked up. So pretty dope. Not too complicated of an install. Hadn't finished up the wiring just yet, but just testing stuff out. But it's hooked up to where it comes on automatically with the park lights, and then it comes on. So once I turn that off, back off, flip this back on, and we back good. But it comes on automatically with the park lights, and then automatically with the DRL. So once you put the car in gear or whatever, it should come right back on. So not bad. Yeah, so let me go ahead and finish connecting these wires. This other headlight is over here still drying, and then once I get the bumper and everything back together, I'll show y'all what it looked like all done. So headlights are done. There we go. So they're hooked up there, like I said, to come with the park lights, come on with the park lights and DRLs and all of that. So Bluetooth control through the app, so you can set it on one single color, or you can have it like how it is now, where it's just constantly changing colors. But so yeah, this is just the park lights. But let me crank it up real quick. Turn these lights off. Alright, so I'm back. My phone decided to update and restart on me in the middle of the video. But anyway, like I was saying, parking lights are on, so that's why everything's changing color up front. Go ahead and crank this up. So this is just park lights. Park lights are off now, so those lights are off. I put it in gear real quick so you can see when the DRLs come on. Alright, so you're in gear. Now you can see the lights changing color up front. Back in park, DRLs are off. No lights. So, pretty dope. So, another one in and out, and on to the next.